Hello everyone, my name is Chami Jayama from Accenture School of Management and Diabetes College in Vancouver. So just to give you an idea who we are and what we are, so we are the only school with the DLI, which is the Designation Learning Institute number in Vancouver. So I'm going to talk about the both school, Accenture School of Management and the Diabetes College. So before we go and speak about the benefits that we have and what we're going to offer, so I'll tell you the availability. So the Accenture School of Management, we have two different bachelor's program, which is the Bachelor's of Business and the Bachelor's of Hospitality Management. So even if you take the Bachelor's of Business, we have a different majors. You can specialize in accounting, marketing, international business, and many more. And the special program that I want to highlight here, it's the Hospitality Management. That's where the most students come from Sri Lanka to study, because we have a guaranteed work placements for you at the end of the program. We actually had the program you call the work placements for the both programs, which is the business and the hospitality, but the difference would be for business that would be unpaid 3-month guaranteed work placement, but for hospitality it is guaranteed 3 months work placement with a paid internship. So most students, they attracted to hospitality because we are Sri Lankans, so we have a lot of hospitality students who are looking for opportunities in Canada. So we got the both programs. So if I highlight the Diabetes College, that's for students who are not meeting the entry requirements directly for the Accenture School of Management. That's because of bachelor's degree. So the ones, say for an example, if you write after A levels now, we just got the results, and if you only have about 3 simple passes from your A levels, and you'll not be able to get into Accenture directly because we required 4 passes or maybe more than the simple passes, then you can package together with the Diabetes. So you can come and study diploma at Diabetes, leads to Accenture School of Management bachelor's degree. Or even if you're not looking at bachelor's degree, you're looking at only a diploma, so you can do either 6 plus 6, 8 plus 8, 12 plus 12, or a 20 plus 12. So what the difference would be, if you're coming for a co-op that I was talking about, 6 plus 6, 8 plus 8, that means අපි කිමුකෝ ඔයාලා ආවයි කියලා 8 plus 8 එකකට උටකොට මාස 8ක් ඔයාලා ඉගෙන ගන්නවා හා මාස 8ක් ඔයාලා වැඩ කරනවා. So that would be the difference between the Accenture School of Management and the Diabetes College. And now you know we all are going to the pandemic, and you know even I'm wearing a mask today. So I know we all are going through the hard time, but now we have a more scholarship for Sri Lankan students. And the other good thing is, like, if you apply your visa and you get your visa, you actually can fly to Canada now. So we actually had many students came last week and also this week arrived in Canada. So කොහොමද වෙන්නේ කිව්වොත් අපි කිමුකෝ ඔයාලා අද එනවයි කියලා වැන්කූවරට ආවම ඔයාලට පුළුවන් හොටෙල් ක්වොරන්ටයින් වෙන්න දවස් 3කට. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් අපි කිමුකෝ එකමිටේෂන් එකක් ඔයාලා තෝරගෙන තියෙනවා කියලා මාස 6කට අවුරුද්දකට. එතකොට එහෙට ඇවිල්ලා ඊතර දවස් ටික ඔයාට ක්වොරන්ටයින් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් එතකොට ඔයාලට ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙයි මට කීයක් වේදන් වෙනවද දවස් 3ක් හොටෙල් එක ක්වොරන්ටයින් වෙන්නේ කියලා. So the good thing is Accenture තෝරගත්තත් Diabetes තෝරගත්තත් අපි ස්කූල් එකෙන් ඔයාලට ගෙවනවා 1500 Canadian dollars ඒ දවස් 3ට hotel expenses වලට. So අපි කියමුකෝ ඔයා ඒ ඇවිල්ලා දවස් 3ක් ඉන්න 1200ක් වේදන් වුණායි කියලා. So ඒක ඔයාලට පුළුවන් claim කරගන්න ස්කෝලෙන්. ඒ කියන්නේ අපේ ස්කෝලෙන්. So අපි ගෙවනවා ඒක ඔයාට ඒ වෙනුවට. And plus මේ හැමෝම යන මේ අමාරු කාලේ නිසා, so we'll give you 10,000 guaranteed scholarship, which is a fee discount for Accenture School of Management, and we also give you 1,200 scholarship, which is a fee discount for Diabetes College. So එතකොට ඔයාගේ fees අපි කියමුකෝ අවුරුද්දකට 16,100ක් වෙනවා කියලා. එතකොට ඒ 16,100න් 10,000ක්ම අඩු වෙනවා. ඒකට ඔයාලා fee discount එකක් හම්බ වෙනින්ද. එතකොට ඔයාගේ fee එක වෙන්නේ 6,100. ඊට අමතරව සාමාන්‍යයෙන් Canadian ගොඩක් schools වල තියෙනවා, even we have application fees. When you apply, we charge you $50 or $40, but now we waive off that for you, so ඒක ඔයාලට ගෙවන්න ඕනෙත් නැහැ. එතකොට ඊට අමතරව ඔයා apply කරලා ඉවරලා, say for an example, if you apply through Expert Education tomorrow and get your offer letter by day after, so because like we give you offer letter within 48 hours, so Monday apply කරොත් එimhe offer letter එක හම්බ වෙනවා Wednesday වෙනකොට. එතකොට ඒ දවසේ ඉඳන් දවස් 7ක් ඇතුළත ඔයා tuition fee deposit එක ගෙවුවොත් අපි තව යාර discount එකක් දෙනවා, a worth of $800. එතකොට $10,000 scholarship, there are $1,500 for your hotel expenses, plus $800 early payment discount. Plus, I know you all need a laptop when you arrive to study for your day-to-day work. ඒ වෙනුවෙන් අපි ගෙවනවා තව ඔයාට $600. So 10,000ක discount එකක්, 1,500 hotel quarantine fee එක, එතකොට early payment එකට 800ක් plus laptop එකට 600ක්. So මේ වගේම Abitus එකටත් ඔයාලට තියෙනවා 1,200 plus 500 for your laptop, and also we pay 1,500 for your hotel quarantine. So say now you come and arrived in Vancouver, start studying. So for an example, bachelor's degree, hospitality or a business at Accent School of Management. So you study with us for 3.5 years. So usually you can either finish it early, which is we call it as a fast track. අවුරුදු දෙකමාරකින් ඉවර කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. හැබැයි එහෙම කරොත් එම ඔයාලට part time කරන්න හම්බ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. So usually you are allowed to work 20 hours per week in Canada while you're studying, and you can work full time on your term holidays. So එතකොට fast track කරොත් එම මේ part time කරන්න හම්බ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් ඒක හින්දා ගොඩක් අය තෝරගන්නේ usual period එක, which is 3.5 to 4 years. So එතකොට ඔයා ඒ අතර කාලය තුලේ පැය 20ක් වැඩ කරනවා, හා පැය 40ක් වැඩ කරනවා ඔයාගේ term holidays වල. ඒතර Abitus එක තෝරගත්තොත් ඔයාලට මතකයි මම කිව්වා 6+6 or 8+8. එතකොට 6+6 එකේ 6 study period එකේ ඔයාලට පැය 20ක් වැඩ කරන්න පුළුවන්. හා අනිත් මාස 6 ඕ මාස 8 ඕ මාස 12, ඒ කියන්නේ core period එකේ ඔයාලට පැය 40ක් වැඩ කරන්න පුළුවන්. So එතකොට ඒ කාලේ Abitus එකේ සහ Accent එකේ period එක අවුරුදු 3මාරයි. එතකොට ඒ කාලේ වුණාට පස්සේ ඔයාලට පුළුවන් post study work permit එකට apply කරන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ එහි වැඩ කරන්න, which is your work permit. So you'll have to get it for 2 to 3 years work permit in Canada. So you study for 3.5 years, work for 2 years, and then everybody wants to get themselves settled, which is the permanent residence. So you also have a path for that. So I'm not going to talk much about for further. So I'm going to just thanking Expert to organizing the session and having me on board today to talk to you. And I know it's a hard time for all of us being virtual. So, but much feel free to comment or ask any question if you have from the expert, because they are the expert education and also will be help you to clarify all your questions and also help you from A to Z on your processing. So the good news is the Canada is open for international students. So if you get your visa tomorrow, you can fly day after. So don't wait until things get back to normal, because it may take some more time. It's not going to be tomorrow or it's not going to be next month. So don't waste. And you got your results. Most of them got your results recently. Congratulations, whoever got through. Even whoever not, you still have the option. Contact Expert. They will tell you how to apply. So you remember I said, if you're not eligible for bachelor's directly, you can come into Canada through the pathway, which is the 6 months at Abitus package with bachelor's at the Accent. So don't wait. Believe me, it's time to fly. So I welcome all of you to come to Canada, and I'm looking forward to see you all there. Take care, stay safe. Bye for now.